In this video, I'll show you how to use a supercharging cable to charge the MyGrid 10K and demonstrate how the uninterrupted power supply function works. Insert the supercharging cable into the 208 240 volt input port. Plug the other end to the outlet. Turn on the 208 240 volt input breaker. Ensure the battery breaker is in the on position and the battery power is turned on. The charging current is adjustable and defaults to 90 amps, approximately 4600 watts. Hold enter for 3 seconds. Select code 05 and set the charging current from 90 amps to 50 amps. The charging current is adjusted from 90 amps to 50 amps, approximately 2600 watts. Hold enter for 3 seconds. Select code 05 and set the charging current from 50 amp to 30 amp. The charging current is adjusted from 50 amp to 30 amp, approximately 1500 watts. Now, let's see how uninterrupted power supply function works. Turn on the main AC output breaker and the individual output breakers. I plug PC monitor, PC tower, work lights into the outlets. Both L1 and L2 now have the loads that cannot be interrupted. If the power is interrupted, the PC will restart. Next, I'll turn off the main breaker to simulate a grid power outage. The charging stops, but the PC and work lights continue running without interruption. Now, I'll turn the main breaker back on to restore grid power. The charging resumes, and the PC and work lights continue working without interruption. And that's it. That concludes our video. For more information, please follow @Nature's Generator.